Get your 4K Pro gaming on. Introducing the brand new AORUS 4K gaming monitor lineup. Coming with not just stunning 4K resolution, but also lightning-fast refresh rate and a bunch of the latest high-end gaming features to optimize your gameplay. Let's check out these premium displays one by one. First is 43-inch FV43U. It is in fact the world's first HDMI 2.1 gaming monitor you can get your hands on in the market right now. Aside from 144 Hz refresh rate and 1 millisecond of response time, what makes it stand out from the crowd is its super wide color gamut and HDR capability. Not just the awesome picture quality, the sound on the FV43U has been specially tuned by our R&D team, promising crystal clear, more spatial, and much louder sound for your entertainment. Simply put, the FV43U is the best 43-inch 4K gaming monitor you can get right now. Here comes the big boy, the 48-inch FO48U. It's also the world's first 48-inch gaming monitor. The most important of all, it features an OLED panel, delivering a whopping 1,000,000:1 contrast ratio. You can also take advantage of the HDMI 2.1 on the FO48U, variable refresh rate, and auto low latency mode. All these features ensure the smoothest, most vibrant gameplay while pairing with your premium gaming PC or even your next-gen console. With all that being said, you can still have access to AORUS' signature tactical features on these monitors: OSD Sidekick, Aim Stabilizer, Black Equalizer, and a series of useful in-game enhancement to get your game going. Combined with the strong hardware specs, the all-new AORUS 4K gaming monitor lineup is definitely going to elevate your gaming experience to the next level. If you're looking for a pro-grade 4K gaming monitor that can truly unleash the power of your mighty gaming PC or next-gen console, the all-new AORUS 4K gaming monitors are definitely your best choice.